Green screen technology has revolutionized the world of filmmaking and content creation, offering an almost limitless range of creative possibilities. By allowing filmmakers to place their subjects in any environment imaginable, green screen technology has become a vital tool in producing high-quality video content. Whether creating blockbuster movies or simple YouTube videos, understanding and mastering green screen technology can elevate your work to a professional level. This article delves into the history, science, and various applications of green screen technology, providing a comprehensive understanding of its significance and how it has shaped modern visual storytelling. The origins and evolution of green screen technology. Green screen technology, also known as chroma keying, has a rich history that dates back to the early days of cinema. The technique involves filming a subject in front of a solid colored background, usually green, and later replacing that background with a different image or video during post-production. The choice of green is practical, as it contrasts sharply with human skin tones and is not commonly found in everyday clothing, making it easier to isolate and remove. The origins of chroma keying can be traced to the early 20th century, with the use of the blue screen in movies. One of the earliest known uses of the technique was in the 1940 film The Thief of Baghdad, where a blue screen was employed to create the illusion of a character flying on a magic carpet. This innovation marked the beginning of what would become a standard practice in visual effects. As the film industry progressed, green screen technology began to replace blue screen due to the advent of digital video and the specific benefits green offers in terms of lighting and digital processing. Unlike blue, green requires less light to achieve the same brightness, making it easier to work with in various lighting conditions. Additionally, digital cameras are generally more sensitive to green, resulting in a cleaner key. The shift from blue to green screen also coincided with the rise of computer-generated imagery, CGI, in the 1990s. The ability to seamlessly integrate live-action footage with digital environments and characters significantly expanded the storytelling potential of filmmakers. This period saw the widespread adoption of green screen technology, not just in Hollywood, but also in television, advertising, and eventually online content creation. Understanding the science behind green screen. At its core, green screen technology is based on the concept of chroma keying, where a specific color range is identified and made transparent, allowing a different image or video to be placed behind the subject. The process relies on precise lighting, color separation, and digital manipulation to achieve a convincing composite image. The science of chroma keying involves several key elements. Color separation. The success of chroma keying depends on the ability to separate the green background from the subject. This requires a color that is distinct from any other colors in the scene, particularly the subject's skin tones and clothing. Green is chosen for its distinctiveness and because it does not clash with most human features. Lighting. Even lighting is crucial for a successful green screen shoot. Shadows, hot spots, or uneven lighting can make it difficult to cleanly remove the green background, resulting in artifacts or transparency issues around the subject. Properly diffused lighting helps achieve a uniform green background, which is easier to key out during post-production. Digital processing. In post-production, editing software is used to identify the green color range and remove it, leaving only the subject. Advanced algorithms analyze the footage to detect variations in the green color and adjust the keying process accordingly, ensuring that the subject remains intact while the background is removed. Spill suppression. One of the challenges of working with green screen technology is color spill, where green light reflects onto the subject, causing unwanted green edges or tints. Modern editing software includes spill suppression tools that help reduce or eliminate these artifacts, creating a more natural-looking composite. Applications of green screen technology in filmmaking. Green screen technology has a wide range of applications in filmmaking, from creating fantastical worlds to enhancing everyday scenes. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for both big-budget productions and independent filmmakers. Special effects and CGI integration. One of the most common uses of green screen is in the creation of special effects and the integration of CGI elements. By filming actors in front of a green screen, filmmakers can later place them in digitally created environments, interacting with CGI characters or objects. This technique has been used in countless blockbuster films, such as the Star Wars series, The Matrix, and the Marvel Cinematic Universe to create immersive, otherworldly experiences. Virtual sets. Green screen technology allows filmmakers to create virtual sets where the background and environment are generated digitally. This is particularly useful for productions with limited budgets or where shooting on location is impractical. Virtual sets can be used to create anything from futuristic cities to historical settings, all within the controlled environment of a studio. Weather and news broadcasts. In television, green screen technology is commonly used in weather and news broadcasts. Presenters stand in front of a green screen while maps, charts, and other visual information are displayed behind them. This allows for real-time interaction with the visuals, making the presentation more engaging and informative. Music videos and commercials. Green screen is also widely used in music videos and commercials, where creativity and visual impact are paramount. Artists and products can be placed in surreal or stylized environments, creating visually striking imagery that captures the audience's attention. Independent filmmaking and YouTube. With the advent of affordable green screen equipment and user-friendly editing software, green screen technology has become accessible to independent filmmakers and content creators on platforms like YouTube. This democratization of technology allows creators to produce professional-looking content from their own homes or small studios, competing with larger productions in terms of visual quality. The impact of green screen technology on storytelling. The introduction of green screen technology has had a profound impact on storytelling in film and video. It has expanded the possibilities for visual storytelling, allowing filmmakers to explore new genres, create fantastical worlds, and push the boundaries of what is possible on screen. Expanding creative possibilities. Green screen technology has enabled filmmakers to bring to life stories that would have been impossible to tell otherwise. From epic battles in fantasy realms to space adventures in distant galaxies, green screen allows for the creation of environments and scenarios that transcend the limitations of the physical world. This has led to the emergence of new genres and subgenres in cinema, such as sci-fi epics, superhero movies, and fantasy adventures. Enhancing realism. In addition to creating fantastical worlds, green screen technology is also used to enhance realism in films. By seamlessly blending live-action footage with digital environments, filmmakers can create scenes that feel authentic and immersive. This is particularly useful in historical dramas, where green screen technology can be used to recreate historical settings or events that no longer exist. Facilitating non-linear storytelling. Green screen technology has also made it easier to experiment with non-linear storytelling. By shooting different elements of a scene separately and compositing them together in post-production, filmmakers can manipulate time, space, and perspective in ways that would be difficult or impossible with traditional filming techniques. Empowering independent creators. The accessibility of green screen technology has empowered independent filmmakers and content creators to tell their own stories without the need for large budgets or extensive resources. This has led to a proliferation of diverse voices and perspectives in the film and video industry, contributing to a richer and more varied media landscape. Challenges and limitations of green screen technology. While green screen technology offers numerous benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges and limitations. Filmmakers and content creators must be aware of these challenges to effectively utilize green screen in their work. Lighting issues. Achieving even lighting on a green screen can be difficult, especially in smaller or poorly equipped studios. Shadows, hotspots, and uneven lighting can all result in poor keying, with artifacts or transparency issues around the subject. Properly diffused lighting and attention to detail are essential for achieving a clean key. Color spill. Color spill occurs when green light reflects onto the subject, causing unwanted green edges or tints. This can be particularly problematic when the subject is wearing reflective clothing or has light-colored hair. Spill suppression tools in editing software can help reduce these artifacts, but they may not always eliminate them completely. Complex compositing. Compositing green screen footage with complex backgrounds or environments can be challenging, especially when there are multiple layers or elements to consider. Ensuring that the lighting, perspective, and scale of the subject match the background requires careful planning and attention to detail. Limitations of budget and resources. While green screen technology has become more accessible, creating convincing green screen composites still requires a certain level of technical expertise and resources. Independent filmmakers and content creators may struggle with the costs of high-quality green screens, lighting equipment, and editing software, as well as the time and effort required to achieve professional results. The future of green screen technology. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the potential of green screen technology. Emerging trends and innovations are set to further expand the possibilities of green screen in filmmaking and content creation. Virtual production. One of the most exciting developments in green screen technology is the rise of virtual production, where live-action footage is combined with real-time CGI in a fully digital environment. This approach allows filmmakers to see and interact with the virtual world in real time, providing greater control over the final image. Productions like The Mandalorian have popularized this technique, using LED walls to create dynamic, interactive backgrounds that replace traditional green screens. Augmented reality and mixed reality. Augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR technologies are also beginning to incorporate green screen techniques, allowing for more immersive and interactive experiences. These technologies have applications in various fields, including entertainment, education, and training, where users can interact with digital content in a real-world setting. AI and machine learning. Advances in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are making it easier to key out backgrounds and create complex composites. AI-driven tools can automatically detect and remove green screen backgrounds with greater accuracy and speed, reducing the need for manual adjustments and making the process more accessible to non-experts. Improved editing software. As editing software continues to improve, so too does the quality and ease of green screen compositing. New features and tools are being developed to address common challenges, such as spill suppression, edge refinement, and motion tracking, making it easier to achieve professional results with less effort. Conclusion: embracing the potential of green screen technology. Green screen technology has transformed the landscape of filmmaking and content creation, offering unprecedented creative possibilities and expanding the potential for visual storytelling. Whether used to create fantastical worlds, enhance realism, or empower independent creators, green screen technology has become an indispensable tool in the modern filmmaker's toolkit. As technology continues to advance, the future of green screen holds even greater promise, with new innovations and techniques set to push the boundaries of what is possible on screen. By mastering the principles and techniques of green screen, filmmakers and content creators can unlock new levels of creativity and elevate their work to new heights. In the end, green screen technology is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to endless possibilities, allowing creators to bring their wildest imaginations to life and share their visions with the world. As you continue to explore the potential of green screen in your own work, remember that the only limit is your creativity.